In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the layout on projects. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go in CapCut and how to switch between a grid and a list view, so you can browse your work in the way that suits you best. By the end, you'll know what each layout is good for and how to toggle it confidently whenever your workflow changes. Start by opening CapCut and letting the home screen load. Once you're in, head straight to the Projects area. This is the hub where all your drafts and finished edits live. If you're already working on something, back out to the main workspace so you can see your project library. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see a collection of your project entries, typically with names, dates, and thumbnails. Now, look for the Layout control. It's usually located toward the top right of the project screen, and often looks like a small icon of squares for grid or stacked lines for list. Give that button a click or tap, and you'll see the option to switch between grid and list. Choose the one you prefer, and the entire project's view will instantly update to match your selection. Here's what each layout offers. Grid view is ideal when visuals guide your decisions. It presents larger thumbnails, making it easier to recognize projects at a glance by their cover frames. If you sift through ideas visually, compare styles, or quickly spot the right draft by its look, grid will feel natural and fast. List view, on the other hand, prioritizes information density. It typically shows more text details in a vertical format, which is helpful if you manage many projects and care about names, dates, durations, or organizational labels. It's excellent for scanning titles, sorting mentally, and staying tidy on smaller screens. A few practical tips as you choose. Your layout preference usually sticks, so CapCut will remember it the next time you return to projects. If you're on a smaller display, List can reduce scrolling. On a larger monitor, Grid makes great use of space. Switching layouts never affects the content of your projects, only how they're displayed, so feel free to toggle back and forth as your task changes from visual browsing to detailed review. That's all you need to change the layout on projects in CapCut. Open the app, go to Projects, and use the Layout button to pick Grid or List. Keep this toggle in mind, and you'll move through your work faster and with more clarity. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!